Uh, Once again, good evening, everyone. Everyone have given their short presentation very beautifully, and I'll start my presentation today. First thing, Vitruviu groups. First, people have confusion that why this fellow has chosen a Vitruviu group's name. So the Vitruviu group's name, which is the most inspiring thing, it is a name derived from the Marcus Vitruvius Polio. He's a 15 BC architect and civil and military engineer. The person who had designed the Da Vinci Code, the structural Da Vinci Code, which has become more famous. So I was inspired for his design and have chosen this name as a Vitruviu groups actually. Yeah, next slide. Vitruviu groups, the main logo is transforming the space into living concept. Our main motive is that transforming the each space which is an ideology and which doesn't have any. Hello. Well, yeah. Hello, my voice is audible.
Yes, go ahead.
uh, so just next slide. Yeah. So our company is basically a construction and interior firm, undertake both commercial and residential project. Myself, Asif Munawar, the founder at Bangalore since 2016, together with a growing, maintains high standard and develop a deep research in every project. I do in each and every project, I do deep research and I do something unique idea so that the design comes outcome in each and every project have some unique thing in the ideology. Yeah, next slide. Yeah. Our mission is we dedicate to provide client with easy and efficient access to design and architecture knowledge together with Indian craftsmanship and high quality products. Our main goal is to inspire people with more beauty and provide the service such as the best craftsman. Our value, ethics. We are main strict to our ethics, that is policy and practice which we do in each and every project. Quality, high standard of quality and durability. We give warranty in our projects for the client with the documented file. Teamwork. Our teamwork consists of mastering design and execution. Leadership. I motivate my team to act towards achieving some ideology and which encourage them achieving their personal goals also. Innovation, new ideas and concepts I bring in each and every project. Safety, that is the first measure we take in our society, safety precaution to our employee and each and every one. Click next, sir. Our service includes structural drawing, starting from structural drawing, construction contractors, renovation, expansion, and interior designing, virtual reality. So next slide, sir. Yeah. Structural drawing, architectural planning, engineering service. Our team has an extensive experience in providing strategy, financial, and operational advice as well in complete design architectural plan. We through this structural 2D planning, we maximize the idea what all the things necessity basic things, and we provide as per the costing, as per the requirement of our client. Construction contract. Our team is specialized in planning and implementation of high-end architecture projects using made in India products, furniture, and providing end-to-end solution. So we take construction projects our own lead also, and we take from the architects who outsource their work to us. We take from the starting stage one to till the stage of ending final finish. Renovation. So people have constructed their old house in old time period. They wanted to renovate the house in as per the modern ideology, modern technology, what they wanted, and as per their space requirement. So we are ready to help them. Forward thinking, we are always on the lookout for a new trend with a team of interior designers whose mission is to create unique and personalized pieces. Next slide. Expansion. So in construction, if anybody wants to do expansion of constructing the upstairs next floor, so we are hello, can you audible? Yeah. VG constructions for our expansion work, you will receive a unique service. The result will be as you imagined. We can follow your projects with our construction stages. So during this expansion work or during the renovation work, we give detailed procedures and documents as per the stage of works going on in the site. Yeah. Interior design. Our team of designers and architects provides a combination of knowledge and skill for designing of unique space with fine finish, focusing on use of exclusive materials. Uh, in interior designing, we design from furnitures, floor plans, uh, end-to-end ideology, wall decals, and interior concepts, which all items comes into the interior designing. We design end-to-end product. Next, this is the thing which is most expensive creation of design, that is virtual reality design. We know how important it is for you to have the most realistic preview of your new project. You want to know the dimension of the space, see the color of the product, how the lighting will influence on the surface, and change any detail depending on this factor. So virtual reality is an expensive product of designing, which can realistically view and walk through in our project and see before the execution of the site. So this can make luxury clients to experience their feelings end to end of the final project with a preview in the design. Project stage. So I keep my project stage very simple and very unique, which can bring my clients in a creativity manner. That is, first I take my 2D plan, 2D drawings with a space organized idea. Next stage is structural design, complete layout structure drawing. Next, whatever the structural plan has been approved, that plan documents are completely taken respective government official plan. Then the plan is taken into execution of site as per the plan approval. Next. So yeah, these are the commercial projects which we have executed. There are more plus projects, but I would like to tell the few projects. Lamster Multi-Cuisine Restaurant located in Jainagar and Tipsandra, two outlets are executed by Vichu Groups. And Eden Heights Restaurant, Kadubisanhalli, and RJR Dental Studio, Hormau, and the another commercial projects. Next slide, sir. Yeah. Anjirapeti Restaurant, Marathali, and Natural Saloon in Jainagar. Next. These are the residential project, few residential projects we have executed. Whitestone Milano in Whitefield, Shobha City, Tanisandra, and our close, yeah, our close client villa project in Chennai we have executed. So ongoing projects, Hidden Hills Restaurant. So we are good tie up with the Hidden Hills Restaurants. So we are next two outlets are going to open in Bangalore. One is in Brookfield and one is in BTM Layout. And our apartment interior design is going on. Prestige Falcon City, Kanakpura Road, and Sukriti Apartment, Mahalashmi Layout, Jonaksha Elegance, Harlow. So I would like to specify in this thing is, as a small creative company, we do not hire often, but we are always looking for smart self-starters, freelancers, and talented artists to join us. So any of your friends, any of your colleagues who are looking for uh, career in our Vichu groups can mail us through career@vichugroups.com. Business. Architects, freelance interior designers, material supplies, and vendor based on suitability for our company profile and products can approach us for business. I refer in the. I would like to tell you a few things in this. People who have in material like plywoods, hardware fittings, glass works, aluminum partitions, civil materials, interior materials, furnitures, custom furniture items. So, sir, please, previous slide. No. Previous you have business. Next slide. So, whom are looking to get tie up with us in a business material purchase, so they can mail us to business@vitugroups.com. Next. Our service available in Bangalore, and coming year we are just going to start with Chennai and Coimbatore. So finally, Vitu Groups, we have balance in creativity. We are located in Lana Garden, Bangalore. Our contact number and any kind of referral to clients can just mail us at hello@vitugroups.com. Our website is vitugroups.com. We are available in social media also, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me.